Hello and welcome everyone. This is IMTEX 2023 and we are at Hall 4 at the booth of Blue Photon, and we are having with us Mr. Pranay and Mr. Akhil, and Blue Photon, the company offering innovative workholding solutions. Let's hear from them what they have demonstrated and how has been the show for them.
Yeah, we have demonstrated our unique patented UV-based workholding solution, and the show has been phenomenal. We have got, I think, more than 200 visitors here, and we have given the live demonstration here. And I believe we are going to get many more inquiries from here.
That's amazing. Congratulations on that. So coming to Mr. Akhil, how has been the show for you? Just give us an insight.
It's amazing because we were able to find out so many different applications which we could not imagine. We were able to find our solution usable for various industries, from ceramics, aerospace, medical components, and many other people who came to us with their work holding issues, and we were able to give them an idea how they can save money, how they can save time and increase their production very easily using our innovative solution.
Correct.
So it was a right opportunity for us, hundreds of demonstrations given, and a very right opportunity for launching our product in India.
That's amazing. So this was the first time Blue Photon has participated at the IMTEX show, and how does it work? I mean, how has been the experience for Blue Photon? As you already said it, but it's been your first show.
Right, so we have now set up an Indian subsidiary for the company, and this is the first time we are participating in any show and launching our product for the Indian market. Although there are a couple of customers already using the system, but the main thing is that now we have made it accessible for Indian customers so that it can be available at the right price point.
Correct.
And locally all the stock and inventory will be kept.
Correct.
So it will be much more easier for them to enable themselves to use our systems.
Correct. So this is the innovation they have demonstrated for the Indian manufacturing, and I must suggest everyone to have a look into it. So again, coming to IMTEX, it's being one of the biggest show. What were your expectations, and did you met the expectations?
So our expectations, perhaps we got this hall very late as well, and we are back on the fourth hall. We were not expecting too many visitors, but somehow we got very amazing crowd. We wanted to tap into the different markets, and that was what we were able to do.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for sharing with us your views. Thank you so much, everyone.